everybody, this is Rebecca TOTILO with Aroma Institute, and I have a really cool product that I want to share with you by Organic Aromas. This was another box with the other game that I did a review on in a different video, and I like this. This is a really cool idea. It's an essential oil blending lab kit, and this one comes with a number of things. It has a glass graduated measuring cylinder, one glass funnel, stir rod, a glass dropper, 4 amber glass essential oil bottles, 4 10 ml amber glass stainless steel roller bottles, 4 30 ml amber glass spray bottles, and a sheet of labels with the stickers, and 1 orifice reducer remover. Let's take a look inside and see what it comes with. Well, it's packed really well. Look at this. Great. Now, I have been looking for something like this just for a lot of my students who are studying at home, doing the course online for aromatherapy certification. Now, this one comes with roller balls or roller bottles already put together. And it has 4 of those. Has a sheet of labels. We have nice spray bottles for making room sprays. It has your 10 ml, or is it? Yeah, 10 ml bottle. I was gonna say 5 ml, just a little bigger. And let's see what else. Oh, I love this. Now this is great for doing your essential oil blends in. I know I use a bowl, but this is much better because it actually has a little bit of a spout here, so you can pour it directly into the bottles once you're done mixing. It has perfume strips with it. I think it's about 10 or 15 of them. The only thing is, in our first level 1 class, we actually use 20 essential oils, so I recommend getting 20 strips. It has a nice glass funnel, which is fantastic because you can just wash it out and use it again. Ooh, nice. And it has a stir rod. That's nice. Nice glass stir rod. And let's see what else. Now here's your dropper, the glass dropper. Okay, where's the other part? Oh, here it is. Okay, so you have your little rubber piece that you can put on. So you can just wash it and reuse it. That's great. I love that. Ooh, and here's something that everybody needs, because when you don't want to destroy your nails trying to get a bottle open, it has this in it for getting that ball off, so you can open it up and get your essential oils into it. And let's see what else. Okay, so that's it. Now the only thing that's missing for us is, it would be great if it had the little personal inhalers, because we make those in class. I'm trying to think, what else do we make in class that we would use? We make room sprays, and we do also have perfumes, or if you want to make a spray cologne or something like that in our class, we do that. But we do use roll-ons. We do use the bottles in the concentrated form for making either a diffuser blend, which you don't use a carrier oil with, or if you wanted to just make a massage oil and make a very nice size, you know, something small for someone to give them. This has the reducer inside the cap here, so you don't even have to touch it. So when you close it and seal it tight, it's going to push it down inside the bottle. So this is really great. I really like this. This is a nice little kit. I see on their website that this actually runs for $39. And I don't know if you can, you know, maybe do the math, go on Amazon and price out all the pieces and see what it would cost to put this together. I've been looking for something like this for many years. We ended up just buying all the pieces and putting a kit together for our students, but it would always cost a lot more money for us because we were buying so many things. Okay, so that is a great little kit to use at home. It looks like it has just about everything you would need to make your essential oil blends. And so I recommend this. This is a great buy for having all the things put together so you can make blends for your family and friends. And the only thing that I would probably add to it is the personal inhalers, those little plastic ones that you can put together. Those are great to have for your pocket. It's something you can, you know, give to friends to use when they just want to have a personal inhaler. Other than that, man, this is ready to go. All you need to add is your essential and carry-all, and you're ready to make your blends. So hope that helps you in making some choices and using this kit. This is organicaromas.com. By the way, I'm not paid for this review. This is my own personal opinion. I think it's a great little kit. I would buy it, you know, for a friend or someone who's just getting started. Maybe even recommend this for our students who are taking our level 1 certification course that just want something simple, ready to go, and all they need to do is add their oils. So hope you'll take a look at this, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.